What's up guys, welcome to another video. This time I'm going to show you how to require your own files and use your own modules in Node. So let's get right into it. So we have these little require things right here and all that cool stuff. So I mean, we don't really need you anymore, so we can comment that out with control/ and make some space of course for in a second. So anyway, let's make a new file. Let's call it memes.js. Call it whatever you want. Okay, so now we can do whatever you want in here. We can say sublog. Okay, so let's test that out. So we need to go here and do const memes equals require. So you need to have the dot slash. That's how you find a relative thingy, So it just means it's in here, same directory as everything else is in, basically. I'm not good at explaining that. So anyway, yeah. So if we start our Node application, node.app.js, it should output memes. Yep, there we go. So we didn't even have to do anything, and we just require it, and then it'll automatically run for us. So that's that. So now let's say we want to use our own functions like we did here. We had os.userinfo, which is a function. So let's say we want to make our own function, right? Then we can do, well, first let's test out the modules. Let me show you what that means by modules. Okay. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh, I see. Just module. So that's that. We'll automatically save that and we'll run the app again. And now it outputs this module thing. This is the module object, and it has little thingies inside of it, Yeah, and maybe it's a class, and these are objects. I don't know. I'm not really good at this, so yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, you get the point. So we have module, and then it contains little objects inside of it. So we have the exports one, which is the most important one that we'll use and other people use. So let's show you how to use that. With exports, we can export modules, so then we could use it in other applications, just like right here. That was exported from something else. So we're gonna do that. To make one, we'll do module .exports test equals, this is a test home. Okay, so then that's exported now. So we can do console.log and memes.test. Okay, so we're using that function now. Wait, that's not a function, that's a variable, excuse me. So that's a variable we made in the modules thingy. Wait, did we remove it? Yep, we did, okay. So let's run it, and this is a test home. So there we go. So now, that's just a variable, so let's make a function, okay? So module.exports. And now we gotta give it a name, so let's do add meme equals function, and then we'll have the thing in there. Meme added. Wow. Oops. Wow. Okay. So now we need to call that. We can call that by doing memes dot add meme. Okay. And the reason it's outputting without doing console.log here is because we already did console.log in the function. So it's all automatically done for you. All you gotta do is call it. So that's really useful. So let's try and do something a little more complex. I want you to try and make a thing that a function on the module exports that lets you add something or subtract something, whatever you want to do. So pause the video and try and do that. You'll pass in two arguments, and then you'll either add them together or subtract them, whatever you want to do, and then output the result to the console. So give that a try. If it's too hard, just keep watching. So pause now. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. I'm going to module.exports add stuff equals function 1, 2. Those are our 2 arguments we're going to be using, and then we'll do .log one plus 2. Okay, now that should work. For some reason we need to save me colon. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, just make it a little better. So now let's call it memes dot add stuff. Now we gotta pass in our 2 arguments. Okay, so now those 2 values should be added together. Boom, there you go. There's your sum. And that's how you export stuff and require your own JavaScripts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that helped out a little bit. Maybe you could try making some cool stuff and showing me in the description. Just whatever you want to do. Let me know if you need any help, you have any problems, you know. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Go on, bust it open, go ahead, baby, get naked. Know you got a nigga, but I wanna see you get naked. Deep throat, baby, go ahead, take it. Nigga on the strip, bought a bitch while he in Vegas. Say you getting money, but the whole world know you fake it. Move with the quickness, flex so hard, had to invest in fitness. Everybody think when you rich, you can fix shit. Shit ain't broke, unless you broke, that's some real shit. I can see my whole family college now, rap nigga mad, cause his father never came around. Little brother J, A1, always stayed down here.